Okay, so just a quick one today. So we've got a customer with a 2019 Toyota Prado, and he's just upgrading his switches for his work lamps, beacon, spotties, etc. from these old style rectangular ones that used to sit in this fascia here, and we've put these back in, and now over the other side, excuse the mess, is this panel. So we're going for the new squared off switches. Now they all come with the same style plugs, all 5-pin, but what we found is when you're buying these, they don't come with wiring diagram. So what people automatically do is they Google it. Trouble with that is these plugs, the pins are different virtually on all of them. So these are the plugs that came with the new switches, and even them, one was green and two were white, and they're wired differently. So just a tip, whenever you're doing these and you don't have a wiring diagram, don't go for a generic one, because I guarantee that it'll be wrong. So for example, this one came out the packet. Now red is my battery in or ignition in, whatever you're powering, and then the blue is the output to whatever lights etc you need to switch on. Black being negative, that's pretty much the same across the board. So there's your two input output. Can't really get them wrong, otherwise you're in trouble. Now on the white plugs, the red is not the input, the battery or ignition. That is for our park lights. It is the green is our input and the blue is your output, black being earth. So you can see that they've changed between them. So if you get that wrong and you just wire it up and then push that switch on, you're going to burn out and cause some damage. So it's always worth with these is getting a multimeter, putting it on a continuity setting, and just going across the pins and verifying for yourself which one is your trigger, which connects the circuit. Once you get them two, you can figure out the rest. Like I say, black is normally earth, and then white is for the little on light, and then the symbol on this one is our green, and that goes to your park lights. So the symbol lights up when you turn the park lights on, so you can see it in the dark. So the green is your park light circuit on that one, but then on this one, it came from the same company, same brand. The red is your park light circuit. So it's really confusing. So yeah, just be really careful. The white being our little light there, that just goes to earth, and then on some of the other settings they have to go to positive, but on this one it's just earth, so you just bridge it across. And then on this one, same again, the white is for your little on light. So hope that helps. Probably just confused you even more, but yeah, so just be careful when you're buying these switches that look factory. They're all the pins are normally different, so you just got to do them tests first to verify. And annoyingly, they never come with the actual instructions, except for the Nava ones that are written on the back. But yeah, so I hope that helps, and yeah, any questions, just please drop me a message, and yeah, if you like and subscribe, that'd be great. And yeah, we'll crack on with the next one. Cheers.